Hello guys, welcome to Apna tutorial. This is Akhand Singh and this is my new video lecture of area related to circle, and in this video I will discuss how to find area of a segment. So let's we start. Area of segment. So we know that two types of segment. One is minor segment and another is major segment. So first we find the area of minor segment. This is a circle and center O, and we draw a chord. So this is a segment. So this chord AB and P is a segment. So this portion is called segment. This colored portion is minor segment. So find out the area of minor segment. So first one, we draw from center O to A and from center O to B. Let's change the pen. So this portion A to A, O to A and O to B. So OA is equal to OB. Why? Because it's radius. And this OABO, this is a triangle. So first point, find out the area of triangle OAB, which is equal to 1 by 2 base into height. And the next point is find out the area of sector. So OAPBO, this portion is sector. So find out the area of sector OABO, which is equal to, we know that theta upon 360 into pi r square. Now, so if you subtract this triangular area from the area of a sector, then you have to find out this area, that is minor segment. So area of, suppose we change the pen. Area of minor segment is equal to area of sector OABO minus area of triangle OAB. So if we put the value, then it's become theta upon 360 into pi r square minus one by 2 base into height. So in this way, you have to proceed how to find out the area of a minor segment. Once you have to calculate the area of minor segment, then we'll go to find out the area of major segment. So look at the figure again. What is the area of minor segment? What is the area of major segment? So this yellow portion, this yellow portion is area of my major segment. So how to find out the area of minor segment? If you subtract the minor segment from the whole circle, this is whole circle, and if you subtract this much of area, that is minor segment. So area of major segment is equal to area of circle minus area of minor segment. So what is the area of circle? That is pi r square. And what is the area of segment from above equation? So in this way, you have to calculate the area of minor segment and area of major segment. And look at one concept. The concept is if you add area of major segment and area of minor segment, then you got the area of a circle. So area of major segment plus area of minor segment both become area of circle. So up to here we finish my class, and if you have any doubt, then you have to write in the comment section, and the remaining concept of area related to circuit will come in the next video. Thank you.